In this video, you learn 4 pillars of mental fitness and how to use them to improve your mental health and overall lifestyle during this pandemic. But what is mental fitness and why is it so important to learn about this concept? That's exactly what we are going to learn in this video. The truth is this: if you don't learn and master mental fitness, you and your loved ones will be less likely to cope and bounce back mentally and emotionally from this coronavirus pandemic. If this coronavirus pandemic has affected your whole life, you're not alone. Like many people, I lost my job and suffered mental health problems. Because of this, I didn't know what to do. I felt frustrated, powerless, and completely filled with anger and anxiety. But you know what? I never lost the hope and decided to fight and bounce back from this dark place and help people like you achieve mental fitness and mental health and better well-being. In short, mental fitness is about being mentally resilient. It's about your ability or inability to bounce back fast after you experience a mental health problem. Believe it or not, you can turn your mental breakdown into a mental breakthrough. But in order to overcome your mental health challenges and problems, you have to believe you can do it. Studies carried out by Success Booster Research has found that 90% of mental health or well-being is related to our attitude to challenges or problems. This includes our beliefs and the way we think and approach problems and challenges. I'm talking about the negative stories we tell ourselves. For example, stories like, I'm so depressed, I'm feeling low, why I'm always so stressed, etc. Only 10% of mental health or well-being is related to what we do. Before further ado, let's dive into the 4 pillars of mental fitness. The first pillar is what I call emotional awareness or well-being. This includes emotional regulation, which is about our ability or inability to regulate or manage our own emotions as well as the emotions of other people. Emotional awareness, or what I also call emotional well-being, includes things such as self-acceptance, self-esteem, resilience, and the ability to manage strong emotions. This means the higher your emotional awareness, the higher will be your ability to bounce back from challenging emotions. The second pillar of mental fitness is what I call social awareness. This is about your ability to make friends and create meaningful or beneficial long-term relationships with others. Remember, supportive friends and families are very important to us. They bring companionship, support, and enrichment to our lives. According to many studies, people who have supportive and genuine friends are in general physically and emotionally healthier and also enjoy better quality of life. The third pillar of mental fitness is what I call financial awareness. This is about how aware you are about your finances. According to a study conducted in 2016, 40% of us experience stress due to money problems. This stress often affects not only our work but also our relationships. So if you are struggling with money worries, a better way to help you deal with your emotions and feelings is to develop what I call financial emotional intelligence. Financial emotional intelligence is not about having a certain amount of money at your disposal. It's about your ability to feel in control of your finances, as well as being able to handle financial setbacks and also being able to feel on track so you can achieve your financial goals and life goals. The fourth pillar of mental fitness is what I call physical awareness or well-being. By improving your physical well-being, you will be automatically improving your mental health and fitness. You can improve both through a healthy diet, regular exercise, feeding your mind with positive experience, and enough sleep. By working on your physical well-being, you will also reduce your chances of developing chronic illnesses such as diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and depression. These are our 4 pillars to build strong mental health and well-being. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you do, please subscribe to our channel and then share this video with only 3 friends you know need to know more about mental health or mental fitness. Which one of these pillars are you going to focus from today? Are you going to increase your emotional awareness, or are you going to improve your financial awareness? Either way, let us know by leaving a comment below. Do you want to know how to get out of bad debt faster in 2020? Then click on the video coming on your screen.